Hello, welcome to today's narrative analysis. Today is 30th July, Wednesday. So let's start. I'm doing my analysis exactly 8:57 today. So I've started the screen record and I'm analyzing on my laptop, not on my phone. So let's check for secondary phase execution. So since there is no previous narrative or failed main entry, that that means there is no secondary phase execution today. So now let's move on to the next checklist. Let's check the economic calendar for tomorrow. Tomorrow, that's 31st. Oh, serious news tomorrow, 31st. I have JPY news throughout the whole day. They will announce their policy rates, monetary policy. Those kind of news will move the market. So interest rate levy on excess current balance held by Bank of Japan. So CPI on Euro USD tomorrow. CPI on Euro USD tomorrow. Change in price of goods and services. So if to affect the price and USD, uh, non-farm non-farm employment change. Did they do that on Thursday too? On Wednesday too? Okay, let's see. So we have USD, Euro news, and JPY news tomorrow. So let's move down. So we have done that. We will take note of that on our chat tomorrow. Tomorrow, surely. So as you can see, Bank of Japan interest rate decision, and then consumer confidence also. Then inflation rates on European currency. Inflation rate, yes, the same inflation rate on European currency, and that's all tomorrow. So now let's move to the next chart. So it's in our consciousness like that there is a seriousness tomorrow. So now let's move down to identifying what's it called? Key levels for narrative setup. And which is the requirement. I can easily do that. And let's move down to mana. Let's check the data for the day. Have a eye there. That's a eye there. So now let's move down to 15 minutes. If you ask me, this is a signal. Must have pressed something. I would have loved to count that as double top, actually. Yeah, double top, but it's not clean enough. So I'll check my data for this narrative. Now let's move down to Euro USD. If you ask me, there's a signal on Euro USD, but let's do our analysis. Moving on to 15 minutes, you see this like a round rejection, not a double top. See the rejection there. That's a RSI rejection, but I'm not taking that serious. That's overshoot as well, so I'm not taking that serious. So now let's go down to our data because that should be the next thing to check. We want to compare. So let's mark out that. Invert the chart while doing analysis. So let's invert the chart. See if you are going to see something different. Actually, I'm seeing something different. So I just don't trust the RSI. And again, I'm done trading Euro USD. So the only one I have business with is EJ Signal. Now let's go there. That's not a double bottom. It's glaring now, so that's not a double bottom. The price failed to hit the double bottom clearly. But let's compare it to other brokers data because they varies. So they are almost same thing. They are almost the same thing. So that's that with AJ. What else again do we need to do? Compare various broker data. Yeah, I just did that. Is there any A plus setup? No A plus setup yet. No A plus setup yet. Because what I'm seeing here is overshoot overshoot double bottom. And double bottom is not clear enough for me on EJ. So let's see what will happen. The first news will happen around 5 a.m. and the second will be at 6 a.m. And during those periods, I think I'll start trading by 6. So the news will already happen. The next news will happen around 7:30, the inflation rate, and the next one will uh be 10 a.m. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so what's next? What's next? Okay, match the identified setup with my previous playbook data. This is very important process in my system. Now let's move down to okay. I want to is it I think it's clean narrative. It should be clean narrative. Yeah, it should be clean narrative. Let's start checking. Let's start checking one after the other now to compare the data. Okay, I've seen one now. Here's one. Yeah, it's one. Here's one. Here's one. Here's one. Okay. Now let's do the comparison now. Let's see. Zentin. I think so. Yeah. Uh, yeah. 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 Okay. Now let's go ahead with. Yeah, we've done this. Then journal of emotion. There was no trade yesterday, so no emotion to journal. So we'll have to take this in the morning. Punctual with time, that will be in the morning. I think I'm punctual with time here also. Actually, that will be all about putting the time there. So edit video and upload. So I'm already got a video, so we'll upload the video very soon. So thank you for today's analysis. Watch out to buy. Is it buy? No, so to sell. Continue selling this gold and pay. I don't expect like the price to continue selling tomorrow, but let's see what happens after the interest rate decision by the Bank of Japan. So good luck. See ya tomorrow. Right on my channel.